How to fix your iPhone screen will not rotate. So the first thing that we need to do is if we rotate our iPhone, usually what will happen is that it will change orientation and it will go to landscape. Now, if yours is not doing this, the way that we can fix this is if we go down and then we scroll down from the top right hand corner here. And then what we now need to do is we need to locate this little button here. If it is not showing for you, what we can do is click on the plus icon. And then once we click on the plus icon, you can then click on add a control, and then you will then be able to find it in your control center here. So make sure you add that, and then once you have got this, we are then good to go. Now, once you do this, you can then click on this, and if it is locked in a specific orientation, it will then show a red lock arrow. You then want to click on this, and then once you then go ahead and change the orientation of your iPhone here. So for example, if I go to YouTube and then I just turn it around, as you can see, it has automatically flipped to landscape. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix it.